Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you to AgroFood Productivity Nexus for organizing a competition called Smart AgroFood Hackathon 2022. So here are the proposals for our group. Our group name is Dagang Bois, which is supervised by IR Dr. Nur Azlina binti Muhammad Saleh, our lecturer from University Technology of Mara, and the scope for our product is a system that allows tracking the movement and management of agro-food products. The title for our product is to reduce emission by food waste cycle. Before we start, I would like to introduce you our group members. Our group members consist of 4 members. First, Muhammad ZUHAKIMIE bin ZULKEFLI. Second, AZUHAR bin ISMAIL. Third, BADRUL bin BADRUL HISHAM. And finally, me, Muhammad Iskandar Naim bin Muhammad Noor. First, let's look at the problem statement. Global food loss and waste amount is between 1/3 and 1/2 of all food produced. Roughly 1/3 of the food produced in the world for human consumption every year, which is approximately 1.3 billion tons, food that get lost or wasted. Basically, fruits and vegetables plus roots and tubers have the highest wastage rates of any food. Research has shown that in Malaysia, households seems to produce high food waste, and some of this is a result of food being disposed because they are expired. Next, let's look at the problem solving. So first, we want to create a device that can deliver a workable solution that makes it possible for mobile users to effectively track the life cycle of their food inventory. And then also we want to demonstrate improved implementation and potential future improvement in food packaging. Before we show you our product, let's look at the work frame throughout the competition. First, on 17 May 2022, we have been briefed by our supervisor, Dr. Nur Azlina binti Muhammad Saleh, to discuss about the project and the important date of the competition. The next day, we have joined the project webinar Smart AgroFood Hackathon 2022 to discuss about the submission of participate and the procedure of the competition. On 21st May 2022, our group leader have already registered our team, and on 20 June 2022, we have a discussion with our supervisor and already contact PLS marketing and Berhad staff for our case study. The next day, we have our site visit at the restaurant around Shah Alam and record data about food waste management. On 24th June 2022, we decided to create a product on SolidWorks and arrange and also analysis the data from the system that we got from our site visit. On 26th June 2022, we already finished and testing the product, and on 1st July 2022, we have submit our proposal to the organizer.
Food wastage is increasingly becoming a topic of concern due to primarily to the negative impact it has on the economic and agricultural industry. By using this product, user allows to track the life cycles of the food inventory efficiently. So this is a coding or data system that was set on the equipment or Android. By using Android interface and were displayed using classes that extend the activity class directly or indirectly. The classes used for user interaction in this application are main activity and new entry activity. The main activity class is the main user interface for the application. It displays the registered food inventory of the user and has the main menu by which other activities can be accessed. The new entry activity class handles both the menu entry as well as the QR code entry of the information about the food to be monitored. It is called by the main activity class and returned to do it after the entry is complete. It displays a form that requests information about the name of the food, its expiry date, and remand time. After the user fills in the form completely, the class handles using storing of the new food data into database, as well as set an alarm notification to the user-defined time a day before the expiry date. After the completion of its task execution, it returns to the user to the main activity class where the updated food listing is displayed. For the data modeling, a food class acts as the model object for the application. It was created to enable uniformity and is easy for data management. The properties of the model include the name of the food, its expiry date, and its date of entry, as well as the chosen time to be reminded of expiry. For the notifier, the class is notified by the Android system when an alarm wake-up event occurs after the countdown value set in the new entry classes elapsed.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is AZUHAR bin ISMAIL. For the fungsi project of the smart agro food, okay, we can see firstly we need to insert the name of the food to be stored, and then the next step is we need to insert the expiry date, which is the best before date of the food product, and then we need to enter the date of the food information, and then the user need to insert the time chosen by user to be reminded a day before expiry date. That's and then that's the output system for our smart agro food. For keberkesanan project, nowadays household in Malaysia on average lost RM 210 per month or RM 2,600 per year in terms of food waste disposal costs. Malaysia produce about 17,000 tons in food waste and estimate 4,046 tons or 24% of the food waste composition. By implement our smart agro food, the situation after the project firstly might prevent food waste as well as accompanying CO emissions, energy waste, and water spillage. Second, the food waste in Malaysia will be decreasing due to the system that give awareness to people. For kebolehsanaan model perniagaan, our target market or consumers. First is restaurant owner. According to a recent report, a pound of food is wasted per meal in a restaurant, whether it's from what is left on a customer plate or from the restaurant itself. And the second one is household user. Household food waste result from buying more food than is consumed. Yet food is rarely discarded directly after shopping. Whether it is discarded after performing a complex set of behavior, each of which increase the likelihood to waste. And then the third one is food waste organization. For example, Food Aid Foundation is an NGO in KL that collects unwanted food, double as a food bank for those in need. And then the second one is the Green Hero, was started in 2017 as an online platform where F&B business can channel unsold edible food which would otherwise go to waste. And then the third one is the Life Origin.
Next, let's look at the price list of our equipment. So the total price of our product is 246 ringgit Malaysia, and this total is divided by 3 categories, which are first SolidWorks and coding, the second one rendering categories, which are components and electrical, and the third one is industrial design, which is the touch and also for the script.
So this is a benefit for our product. The first is increase productivity by increasing the availability of food for a given level of inputs. Reducing food waste throughout the entire food chain will increase input usage efficiency. For the second one is a quality improvement by a methodical approach that aims to reduce food waste and its effects across its entire life cycle, beginning with the use of natural resources, manufacture, sales, and consumption, and concluding with judgmental about recovery of or final disposal. For the third one is a labor cost reduction, where the system doesn't need any labor cost to run it. The last one is time saving. Since the user only needs to use the device, it could be used anytime and anywhere, which will save users time. Here is a sustainability of our product. The first is product lifespan. Since this is a software using computer program, the project has no lifespan and can be used as long as the program is running. And next, improvement of the product, where there will be an update of the system from time to time to each the user.
That's all from our group. We would like to say thank you to our supervisor, Dr. Nur Aslina binti Muhammad Saleh, for guiding us throughout the competition, and also to AgroFood Productivity Nexus for giving us a chance to join this competition called Smart AgroFood Hackathon 2022.